Hi, this is Ricardo Garza, VP Operations of Energy Simulation. I'm putting together this quick tutorial to help you in the process of pre-recording your presentation and get familiar with some of the Zoom features and menu options. The first things that you need to make sure to have ready is to set up properly your sound and the video. Just make sure that you are not on mute, or that the video icon is crossed, because then your video is not working. So once you are unmuted and your video it's being shared, just you can click on the arrow here on the little mic icon, and it will show you the microphone and the speaker that you are using. If you have any external devices that you could access or select, they will show them here, and you can change them if you want to change a different mic or a speaker. Also, there's other options to test the speakers and microphone and others, but and the audio settings. Normally, the standard settings are pretty good, so really no need to worry about changing anything here. Then the next icon is the little camera, and it will show you the camera that you have that you are using. And the same thing, if you have external cameras here, they will show, and you're able to change, and video settings as well. Another option here is to change your virtual background. For the Summit 2020, we are using a special virtual background that we will send to all the speakers, and they will have to use it during the event. So please make sure that you save the background in your computer, and that you set it up in your Zoom before you start recording your presentation. How you do it? Just click on Choose Virtual Background, click the add sign, and then add video. Because it's an MP4 version, you have to add it as a video. Locate the file where you have it, and then click open. And automatically will show in your options here, in your virtual background options. To change backgrounds, just click the different files that you have here, and that's all what you need to do. So once you have your Summit 2020 background, close this menu. And the next step is to get your presentation ready. What I did is I opened the presentation before opening Zoom, because it's easier to locate the presentation. So I recommend you to do the same thing. And the easiest way to access your presentation from Zoom, it's to click Alt-Tab if you have a Windows-based computer, or Command-Tab if you're using an iOS computer. So if we click Alt-Tab, it will show you the different applications that you have open. So go to PowerPoint, open your presentation, check that this is the right presentation, and if it's the correct one, the next step is to do it full, make it full screen. And you have two options. You can go on the upper part of the menu and on this icon here, or you can do it on this icon in the bottom of the menu as well. So let's click slideshow, and you will have your presentation now in presentation mode. So now that you have your presentation in presentation mode, click again Alt-Tab and to go back to Zoom. So now you are back to Zoom, and the next step is to share your screen. So then you will click on the share the screen icon on the bottom of the page, and it will show the different options that you have. You have the option to share your screen. I don't recommend this because you will be sharing your desktop, and you are in risk of having noises, notifications and stuff showing during your presentation. So my recommendation is always to use the particular application that you want to share, or the presentation, and then share it that way, so that it's only that portion of your entire computer that you are sharing with others. I'm not gonna share it right now because I want to keep accessing to the menu buttons, and then you can see them. But the next step here will be select the presentation in presentation mode. As you can see, we have two versions here. One in regular presentation, view, and this is a presentation mode. So you select the presentation mode and then click share, and this is what you're gonna see. So and then once you are on your presentation, I want to show you that that you have also options to annotate stuff and things, but I think that I need to go to the other screen so that I can show you. But once you have your presentation mode and you have already shared, then the next step is just starting recording your presentation. So as you can see here, there's a menu on the top, and you will have this menu available when you have your presentation going, and this is to annotate. So you can draw stuff during your presentation. You can spotlight. You can use a spotlight to spotlight certain things, and then you can clear everything here with this clear button. There's an eraser also, and different text and different things that you can use during your presentation. So feel free to use these tools as well. So then the next step, once you have your presentation in full screen already shared, then you just need to start recording. The recording button, it will be shown on the bottom part of your menu here. Since I am recording already, the options that I have, it's to pause this recording or to stop it. If I pause it, then I am able to resume it later, and it will continue on the same video without interruptions. But since, so what you're gonna see a dot and the recording option. If you're using a free account, the presentation will be, the recording will be saved in your desktop or in your computer. So just make sure that you know where it is saved. It will be showing, it will show you here when you click the share screen where it is going to be saved. Or also you can see it on the settings. It will show you where it saves the file, so that you can access it later and send it to us via email or via Dropbox. So then once you're ready, then you just click recording and you start recording your presentation. So please start with an introduction of yourself, name, school, university affiliation, energy simulation, chair in, and then your research area so that people identify your research program, and start your presentation. The presentation, it's a 20-minute presentation, so please stick to the 20-minute time frame. And at the end, just refer to the question and answer section. If you're not going to be able to attend the Summit live event and you're not going to be able to answer the questions live, please refer to the person that will be answering the questions on your behalf. Then once you're done, you just click stop recording, and automatically the recording will be saved in your computer. Then you can access that file and send it to us via email or via Dropbox. I hope that this tutorial is useful for you in the process of pre-recording your presentation. Please feel free to let us know and touch base if you have any questions or anything else that we can help. We will be more than happy to help. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.